What's up, guys?
Hey, sit here.
That was the circle! Jimmy, what's up?
Hello,
Jimmy! Yeah, Jimmy! Hey, way to play guitar, man, yeah.
Don't judge me.
So, I can't see anything.
It smells good.
It smells like put it on a flat surface.
What up, Jimmy?
God.
Hey, let's see what happens.
This thing is so loud.
And put it out.
Wow.
Oh, is it recording?
Are you recording?
Okay.
Maybe.
This thing is gonna be so loud. I don't know.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh. No, wait. That's great.
Alright, you guys! Everybody!
Chingada way. Playing with fire.
Playing with fire.
Wait. Hey, look at it.
Check this out! Check this out!
Can you even see in the dark?
No.
Ready!
Hey, Brian. Go.
Hooray!
Disappeared.
What'd you do? I don't know. What did I do?
You put it on fire.
Fireworks. Hello.
Nothing wrong with getting a front row seat. I can read mine.
What's up, Cameron? Sorry. My fault. What's up, Chris?
Don't judge me.
Brandon, are you cool? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so psyched.
Are you cool?
Stop.
Yeah!
Ready?
Yeah!
No.
Don't
Carry a
shoot!
nation.
Don't shoot!
It's
It's mine.
Wait, where's the action? Oh, over there. Where my dad is. Where is he?
You guys are like games. Game commercials.
Why are you in the hole?
I don't know. Where is he?
Yeah, I only did now.
He's putting water underneath it?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Put what underneath it? What time is it? Oh. It's 9 o'clock. Where's Gatsby? Wait, guys! Brandon! Stop it!
He's gone all emo.
No! Pyro! Piss off it. Brandon and Brian.
Brandon, are we doing illegal operations?
No, because I don't know. He's mad at me because he said I'm gay.
Who's gay?
He's happy.
Hey. We're gonna sing along. Everyone's good.
What's Nathan at a game?
Yeah, I can find the screen. I can find the screen now. I passed that stage. Weren't you able to do that for like a long time? Yeah.
Well, we made the ending celebration. Alrighty.
Bada bing.
Guys, shut up.
Dude, I'm gonna be on mute right there. I'm gonna go.
Alright.
Shut up, people. Let's keep it still loud. You won't be able to hear anything.
Oh! Yay!
Try off.
Yay! You guys up, Jimmy?
I like try off. Go, Where are these stars? Try off.
Woo! Hey!
Is that it? Is not it? Try off. Wait, 19 shots. Huh? I don't know. Wow. There should be more than this.
I like it.
Are you coming out first? Yeah. No.
Oh no, the big one!
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. That was awesome.
Well, no, there's one more.
Yeah, one more. You got that, Jimmy?
Yeah, I got it.
Good job, Jimmy. Too bad I'm not gonna be in a...
So,
Yeah, we're going to drive when we already had plans.
Where are you going? Why aren't you going?
I'm gonna be out in the forest.
hey, what's up? We will go into the idiot mobile. This is the life of Nick Johnson. Nick Johnson watches TV for a living. is a good video gamer. And Brandon is even better.
Where's the floor? I threw mine out. Shut up. Shut up. Don't kidding the game.
Chris has long hair like me. Nick is awesome. Elliot likes to make fun of me. And Brandon is awesome, because this is his party. Cameron is just little. Oh, yeah.
I don't want to do it.
Why? Where are they?
They're downstairs.
What are they playing together? And cut.